Hey guys, this is a video about when your clear coat begins to stryrate. This is what I'm talking about. If you look at this, this is a black Cadillac. Okay, can you guys see the striations? This is what I mean when I'm talking about spider webbing. You see that? Look at the surface. You see how it's spider webbing? Okay, so that's bad. That's bad. When your clear coat is starting to haze up, this is what it usually looks like when you look at it carefully. So the way to fix this is not to wax it. Don't put wax on this. These are cracks on the surface of your clear coat. It's from the UV rays, and then contaminant starts to seep in. That's what that is. And look at the way it looks. So this is like on the door panels, right below the windows, and that's normal, okay? And you'll see it on the quarter panel and places like that. So what I want to show you right now is how to remove this. So I'm gonna do a close-up, and we're gonna use, hold on, before you do that, I gotta show them. This is what you want to use. It's called Lukat Fix Color and Gloss Restore Polish. It's not wax, okay? This is cleaning polish. It's a paint cleaner. So this needs cleaning, not waxing. So we're gonna put some on there, okay? You should put it on the towel, a lot more, because it's really hot, okay? And go ahead and start cleaning. There you go. This is all you got to do. You go back and forth. Don't put this on like wax. There's no shine in this product. It's strictly a cleaner, but it's not a cutter. So you're not removing the good paint. You're simply cleaning it. Now, do you remember the striations here? Okay, that's a close-up. But look at it here. You don't see that now. You just see reflection. Me giving you the peace sign. Go ahead and put the sealer on. Okay, so the first step is to bring it back by clean. This is squeaky clean. Listen. Oh, shit. Hold on. Okay. You gotta wait for that. I think that's enough 105 trader.